Hey guys! Today I will show you how to grow chrysanthemum through cuttings with guaranteed success on rooting the stems. So don't throw that beautiful bouquet and do the steps as shown in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. So let's get started. You need to remove all of the flowers, including the tiny flower bulbs. And then we would reef up all the mature leaves, including at the mid part. So in this video, I just left some on the top part. And then I cut the stems into two, but you can pretty much cut the stems into however length you want it. But then again, as a golden rule, always cut below the nodes. By removing all the flowers, we're encouraging new growth and fast, rapid, full bloom on our flowers and plants. In 3 cups of water, put half teaspoon of root hormone powder. Mist the cuttings with water, and then we would put it inside a bag or a plastic wrap. Now let's put it in the fridge for an hour or two. Here I used loam soil, cocopeat, and a little bit of compost. This time, we will dip all of the cuttings into the root powder for faster root growth. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Happy gardening and have an awesome day. Bye!